Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. MK keep a statement la isho khona ukuthi yona ayihlangani nzawo nokuvakasha akwasekretary wayo uFloyd Shivambu lapha eMalawi esontweni alaBoshire ngephasika. Ithi yona iyati distance kakhulu from lokho futhi ayivumelani nako nakancane. This was after uFloyd Shivambu trended ngemva kokuthi abonakala lapha esontweni alaBoshire eMalawi, and bantu abaningi were so shocked ukuthi hayibo secretary wemkhonto wesizwe mhlawumbe uthunyelwe that part imkhonto wesizwe ukuthi ahambe attenda lesonto laphana eMalawi. Lithi yona MK qha hlanganizawo yona nokuhamba kwaFloyd Shivambu laphana esontweni alaBoshire nje basho ukuthi bathanza kakhulu ukuthi distance futhi basigceka kakhulu leso sento leso. This is because phela uBoshire uyafuneka la South Africa tomelana anemaqala akhe, so kubona secretary wemkhonto wesizwe lapha esontweni lakhe supporting him kwenta ukuthi abantu bayibuke le nhlangano njengenhlangano lengekho right, yakubo kubaniketa nje isithundi lesibi ngendlela lesimanga ukuthi yowendani lapha kulesonto la Shepherd Bushire ufunani bakhuluma ngani, because besibonile ukuthi baqale baqoqa nakum-introduce kakhulu. Uyabona nje ukuthi bamphathisa kwisikhulu like unaye uBushire upreacher ngaye ukhuluma ngaye, so nje kuyabona ukuthi kukhulu lebakuhlanganisa kuBoshire and Floyd, hence why people were saying ukuthi lo phela siyati ukuthi ungu-secretary we-MK sho ukuthi bamthumile ukuthi ayelapha. Ithi MK yona qha ayimthumanga. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out, so goodbye.